Alright, so the next parts you see here should complete the assembly of the hull. First, I'm going to remove this. And then we have this part here in this position. And with this, I believe that goes like that. That goes over this. But there's no clamps on this. You slide this in here, of course, but there's no clamps of any type, which I don't know why, but you have to do this, either or. And then there's a little part here, but I'll put it on later. So that completes that section. Now, we have these two clear parts here. And we'll take this one first, followed by this part. In this position, we, I guess, slide this in, like so, until it looks like that. The other side, we do the same thing. There. And then we take this part of the ship, the side hull. Let's use this one for now. This one. And then we take this, put this in here. Does it go in like that? There we go. Good. Then we have the two side thrusters here. And gotta see the orientation here first. Hold on. Okay, there's a notch there. It doesn't go all the way, just so you know. So don't force it. There we go. Remember to sand down the edges on this. Oops. This is some great detail in this kit. I'm very impressed with this. Let me make sure it goes in all the way. Yep. I think it went all the way, did it? Hold on. Yeah, I gotta. You know what? I think this is part specific because one, it's sticking out a bit. So let me just take one off and put it on the other because I'm not seeing it flush on one or the other. There we go. See, that's fine. That went in nice and flush. Alright. So then we go back to this one. There we go. Am I doing something wrong? Yeah, that's right. Wrong. Okie dokie. That went in fine. So that goes there. And that goes there. Now then, with this, you want to connect that with this one here. Take this out first. Go there. Oosh. I need this. So I need that, but this one needs to go through this like this. And the LED light's here, so it has to go backwards. So that goes there. And I believe this goes in like that. Connects to that, connects to that, connects to that. And then this, with the LED lights, and it has to go like this through here. Bring that down. There we go. I believe. Bend it around a bit. Alright. So the next part goes here. And then find the connectors here and here. Ooh. All right. So that's how it is. Wait. There we go. Okay, so that's good. There's a connection here that you slide these two here. One goes there. Whoops. Let's try that again. Alright, I don't need this tape there for whatever reason. Or sticker, I mean. There's some gaps here, but I think that's part of this. And I see this thing's sticking up, so I'm going to pull it in here to give it some slack. Pull into slack, that is. And then we have this part. So this part goes through here, I believe. And then we lock this into place like so. Goes there. That goes there. Ooh. That is really nice. I like it when everything is fits into place. Let me do a shake first. Good. There's nothing loose in there. And then the final parts is this here, followed by this clear part that goes. I guess it goes through there, but do I have to put this in here? There's no guide. Oh, there is a guide. Alright, there we go. I was wondering where the heck it was. So that goes there. And then There's nothing specific, so any or. There we go. And clearly I want to make sure I remove this. Yes, I can. So that way I can paint it separate. Because I don't want to paint this over. That goes through here. Oh, no, the other way. Or am I doing it wrong? There we go. Alright, that's good. Alright. Cool. That's pretty big for this scale. And good detail. Again, amazing detail. Alright, so this part is complete. Let's now move on to the next part. So the next part would be the parts that you see here that goes under the Andromeda. I have a feeling there's probably more parts to this, but you know, we're going page by page. So we have this section here, followed by this off-white color. It's not completely white. There's a bit of a grayish, whitish tone. Off-white, you could say. I'll put this one here. I'll get the detail look of what it looks like under it. And then, before we put this on, we take this. Find the orientation. There we go. Well, clearly I'm going to have to glue this. No big deal. But I'm going to want to make sure I have to pull it out. Don't you hate that? Pull it out so I can paint it. So I guess you take this. I hate when that happens. And I put that on like that. Yeah, that will be glued. That's easy. That's an easy fix. No big deal. Yeah, don't you hate that? Alright. So that part is complete. Then we take this and this, put that here like so. I guess when I finish painting the overall tone of this, the vents will be painted black internally, and then, you know, after I finish painting this. And then that goes right under here. For this portion, you know, you try to think of these little things, these little round things. You're saying to yourself, are these like fuel tanks of somewhat? I had a hard time snipping it off here and then sanding it down, and there's some marks here that I don't know if I want to sand down a bit further. But we're going to put them on for now, and if we have to take them off, we'll take them off. But so that's one complete right there. And then we take this one, put that there, followed by this. I'm gonna glue this, of course, after so I can review all this. Then we take, according to the angle, I believe that goes like, whoops. That goes like that here. Okay. And that one goes like that here. So that completes that, and then we have this fin that goes right under this, like so. The one thing I'm more worried about breaking is this than this, but now the next part of the manual is we take this part and we take this and this, put this through here like so. Then we take this, close that up, and then slide that up through here. Then slide this down through here to connect the stand. So now the Andromeda is on a stand, which is a lot easier for me to work with. Now I am tempted to put this guy on. Right, that might as well do it now, because there's nowhere else to put for me to do with this right now. So let's see. Come on. There it is. It snaps into place like so. There it is. I am so tempted to turn on the switch and press the button, but I'm not. Not yet. We're gonna all leave that to, you know, the very end. So in the meantime, let me get some glue, glue this on, and then we'll move on to the next portion of the build.